Whilst you can play individual games such as stroke with stableford par or maximum score, or you can play individual match play, you can also play these team type competitions where you've got a side where you've got one or two people playing against another people in match play, or just two people playing in stroke play against other sides, player and partner in stroke play. And one competition is called 4-ball, that's where you play your own ball and you count your own score. Another one is Foursomes, and that's where it's alternate. So whether you're playing two men off the same tee, different tees, or a man and a lady off the same tees, different tees, that's a foursome, it's alternate. Someone tees off, someone plays a second. Penalty strokes aren't counted as disrupting the order. Henry from Under the Card and I are going to show you how to play foursomes at Mount Beauty Golf Club.
So we're on the first hole here at Mount Beauty Golf Club, which is a par 5. So I'll be teeing off here, which means I then will tee off on all the odd holes. So I'll be hitting off 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 11th, 13th, 15th, 17th. And Blakey will tee off on all the even holes. So let's see if I can get this foursomes round off to a good start.
Yeah, so Henry hasn't left me in a very good position off the tee, but it is a par 5 and we still have an opportunity. I've still got a swing. Now I've got some spectators, or spectator, to come and have a look. I notice there's some tree roots, so I have to be very mindful of where or how much I dig into the ground. I might just try and clip it, or slightly knife it. Oh no.
Well, Blakey hasn't left me with a lot here for my third shot. I've kind of got to run this one down and around to the left to get it onto the green. Little sort of punch under the tree limbs. I'm a magician. 10 feet.
Oh, boom! Birdie time. We played the first hole, made a pretty good birdie. Now onto the second hole for us. And even though I played the last shot on the last hole, because the order is that I'm playing the even holes, now I'm playing off this tee.